So I'm standing here with Mark at Little Prince, and Mark, we are going to be talking about our plant pick. It's this beauty. Tell me about it.
Okay, this is Beesia deltaphylla, and this is a relatively new plant into horticulture. It's been in the trade for approximately a little over 20 years. It was introduced originally by Dan Hinckley at Heronswood, and it is just a fabulous shade ground cover.
Right.
It clumps, or I've seen it beautifully done in large expanses. And it's also a great companion plant for hostas, ferns, podophyllum, any other plants for shade. This is a great thing to pair with.
And I love it because as it gets older, the leaves, they almost look fake sometimes. They're so green and so glossy, and then you get this. It's not an amazing bloom, but it's still charming.
Yeah, no, it's total. I love the little dainty white flowers, which the flowers are kind of a spring, mid-spring part of its life cycle. But no, it's the shiny, glossy leaves are just
and evergreen.
It's evergreen.
Yeah.
I mean, it really is a workhorse of a plant in the garden.
Well, there you have it. If you've never heard of Beesia, now you have, and you certainly want some because they do great in containers. I put them in a hanging basket. They're wonderful ground covers. They're a beautiful plant. So for more information, go to gardentime.tv. We'll click over to where you can find this beauty at a garden center near you. Thank you, Mark.